Inside Press Box is presented by Friedmont Mortgage. Don't make a 30-year mistake by choosing the wrong lender. Go to Friedmont.com now for all of your mortgage needs.
Hey Baltimore, this is Kevin Gausman, right-handed pitcher. Just wanted to wish all you fathers out there happy Father's Day. Hi, Dad.
And all of us here at Inside Press Box would like to wish all the dads out there a happy Father's Day. Orioles are hanging tough this year once again in the hunt for another trip to the postseason. One of the arms the Birds will no doubt be relying on not only as the season progresses, but in the future as well is that of young rookie right-hander Kevin Gausman. I caught up with the 22-year-old out of LSU earlier this week. Welcome into a beautiful day here at Camden Yards. Standing next to me is Orioles rookie right-hander Kevin Gausman. Kevin, your trip to the major leagues has been probably one of the most memorable things in your entire life. What about it in the couple of weeks that you've been up here so far has stood out to you the most?
Probably the biggest thing is, getting that call and being able to call my parents and, call my dad and, tell him all the bullpens that he caught, in my backyard kind of paid off. So that was something that was really cool and, kind of fun to have my family there in Toronto when I made my debut.
Just a 20-year-old kid, has it settled in yet to you at all that I'm in the major leagues?
I think it finally has. The first week I was kind of, just kind of out there and, was just trying not to step on anyone's feet and, trying to do everything the right way. And, now I feel like I've kind of had some time to relax and let it kind of sit in a little bit. And, it's been fun and it's been cool. And I think the guys on this team, the way that this team is, I think they're what makes it so much more fun.
You talked about the guys on this team and coming to the big leagues. Now, you have had some struggles at the outset, as most young pitchers do, but what about it from a pitching standpoint has been the biggest challenge for you coming to the big leagues from the minors?
Obviously the talent level is a lot different in AA where I was, and then here. The hitters here are so much more smarter, and it's a grind, and every start's going to have its ups and downs, and I'm still learning the learning process, and just trying to kind of find out who I am and who I'm going to be at this level. I always knew who I was going to be, all growing up and in college, and my first little stint in minor league ball, and now I've kind of hit a testing block, and so now I'm just trying to get back to who I am and what I think I'm going to be for many years.
Most kids like you who come up and are highly touted don't have many struggles along the way. What's been the biggest challenge for you to overcome since you've been here?
Probably the biggest thing is just that frustration. Like you said, I really haven't had much trial and tribulations in my career, and so to kind of have those now at this level is definitely something that's a little frustrating. But like I said, I'm just trying to kind of figure everything out and hopefully get back to what I did against the Tigers and kind of keep this thing rolling.
All right, let's turn it to a positive note. What's been great about the majors so far? I mean, there's got to be something that you've never experienced before and you went, whoa, this is cool.
Yeah, everything's awesome. The travel, you're in a charter flight, and
no more buses.
Yeah, no more buses. That's right, no more buses. I honestly feel like if you wanted a puppy to play with, that they would get you a puppy to play with. So, it's something that's really cool, and I think, like I said earlier, I think it's the guys here that kind of make it that much more special. Everybody's got your back, and like you said, I've kind of had a rough little start, but these guys have been here for me, and been there to kind of talk to me about when they came up, and the trials that they had, and the frustrations that they had also. So that's something that's been really cool to kind of have those guys kind of backing me up.
So much has been made of your age and how young you are, but yet this is a relatively young ball club, so it's not like, even though there are some guys with more major league experience, you're not around a bunch of old guys by baseball standards. And you have Manny Machado, same age as you. He's one of the leading vote getters in the All-Star game. Is that crazy to imagine that a kid your age has come so far so fast?
Yeah, the craziest thing to imagine is that me and Manny played on Team USA, the 18 and under national team, 3 years ago. So that's something that's definitely a little crazy to think about, and he was that good then. So I knew he was going to be a superstar, and watching him play every day is pretty fun. You see a young guy with that much talent, it's going to be fun to kind of watch him blossom into the player he's going to be for a long time.
What's Buck Showalter been like?
he's been awesome. He's been great. You know, he's kind of really helped me through this little stint that I've had, and you know, just to kind of, you know, be there to reiterate, you know, the fact that everything's going to be okay. And you know, he's a great manager. He's a fun guy, and you know, fun to be around.
Well, Kevin, we wish you nothing but the best of luck. I know you're enjoying your time here at Camden Yards. I want to thank you for your time and great success with the rest of the year.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Thank you. Best of luck to Kevin as he moves forward in his Orioles career. And speaking of moving forward, the All-Star break rapidly approaching, and the Orioles want to remind everyone to vote orange. You can vote up to 25 times online or go to your smartphone. Just go to Orioles.com and find the link to cast your vote. When we come back, we'll talk all things purple and black with the Ravens beat writer Joe Platania. Don't go away. Join Pressbox for the second Thursday Sports Lunch Series at Bedonia Station on Thursday, July 11th. Featuring longtime local sports anchor Mark Viviano as the guest speaker. Get your tickets in advance at PressBoxOnline.com.